Do that again. Is that good? What is it? Coffee? Is it good coffee?
CC celebrates penny picker uppers, heroes who value, and who love CC's endless pizza buffet for $5 and change.
Lil, your sweater's over your head. Did you know you did that? How did you do that? How did you do that? Is that good? Mmm. Whoa. Is it all gone?
Need more.
You need more? It's looking pretty empty. Hey, can you blow me a kiss? A kiss right here? Kiss right there? Aw, thank you. See ya.